So I put in a contest, surprise contest trivia question because when I advertise in the title, no one seems to want to participate. So I got more people wanting to participate this time, and I didn't even acknowledge that it was a contest. I don't really think it was a contest. It was more like a reward for guessing the trivia question that I left in my last video about what's in the box. The video was titled What's in the Box. So, what's in the box? What's in the box? You gotta find out what's in the box. Now, this wasn't a trick question. So if you paid attention to what I asked y'all and what I said and how I sung it, in the movie Seven, Brad Pitt, yes, this would be true. But Brad Pitt did not sing What's in the Box, and he didn't surely say it like that. That phrase was said exactly how it was in the show. And it was a high-pitched voice. I don't think Brad Pitt raised his voice to be high when he said that. All right? So that phrase was said by a kid, and it was a girl. And the show / movie, because they did make a movie, it was in black and white. So I told y'all, if you listen very carefully, when I have these contests, you got to really pay attention. You know what I mean? I said I'm going way back. All right? 97 is not way back. Maybe it is for some of you, but it's not way back. I don't know if the movie came out in 97, but in the 90s. The 90s is not way back. All right? So, now the answer to that trivia question, it was Shirley Temple. If you ever grew up watching those old shows like Little Rascals, Shirley Temple, The Three Stooges, Charlie Chaplin, Charlie Chan, White Shadow, Eight is Enough, all those old shows, I could go on and on and on. Sanford, what's happening? All right? Shirley Temple, I grew up watching it because my mother was fond of her, because she was short and she was small and she tap danced. Just like Shirley Temple. My mother's tap danced on Broadway for many years with Sammy Davis Jr. and Gregory Hines. Now, Sammy wanted her to tour Broadway. For you to have a little brief history about where I come from and why I'm so musically inclined, and I love music. My whole family's been in show business, all right? I've been on TV quite a few times, had my own studio, was a DJ, a dancer for many years, all right? So, Shirley Temple was always tap dancing, always singing. It was a regular show that came on, and I guess you could say it was like a musical series, because every episode she was always singing something and dancing, tap dancing. So that was the answer to that question. Now I have another trivia question. This time, it might be a little easier for you guys. This is another trivia question. All right? Now pay attention. Pay attention. Good morning, the best with you this morning. Now finish the phrase. For you. Finish the phrase. All right, let's run it back. Good morning, the best with you this morning for you. Finish the phrase. All right. Who said that? Now, here's a hint. I'm going way back. Way back. This is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you on the next one. Comment below if you know. I don't expect anyone on YouTube who watch my channel to even get this right or participate. Heaven only knows why no one participated in the Sorbo giveaway. The other trivia question, maybe it was too hard. One person wanted to participate, but he's overseas somewhere. I am not shipping nothing overseas. That is outrageous prices now with the VAT prices. No offense, but unless that person was willing to pay for the shipping, they get the free contest, the product that they want. But that's up to the individual. So I'm not opposed to anyone overseas participating, because if you would like to have some free Sorbo products, I offered, and I'm offering now, one free Sorbo product, whether it be a mop or a squeegee. You'll just have to find out what it is. Mormon blue rubber, razor red, ruby red. Razor red, ruby red. Black diamond, ruby red. Sorbo hard, Sorbo soft, and Sorbo silicone. You will be receiving 5 samples of each rubber, and in addition to your Sorbo product, and a pen, and one of those estimate notebooks. It's like a little notebook. It's a sticky thing. You can jot down notes when you're on your estimates and rip it off and give it to your customer as a rough draft. Y'all get the idea. Or just whatever you want to use it for. Excuse me. Whatever you want to use it for. But that's it. You have your instructions if you want to get in on this surprise contest. Like I said, somebody's going to get it. If not this contest, someone's going to get it. Might as well be you, right? Good morning, the best with you this morning for you. Finish the phrase.